everyone, welcome back to my channel JoSum Akula. I am Jo. We all know the classic apple proverb, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. To the creative captions such as, "You are the apple of my eye," and "I pick you." Today we're going to make an amazing apple pie, and I will be using the Pink Lady, which is quite crisp, and Granny Smith. It's going to be a combination of Pink Lady and Granny Smith. Now we'll cut some nice ribbons to decorate the pie. Our pie is all ready to go inside the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. I've already preheated the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, so let me just slip this in. We will not remove the pie out after 15 minutes, and we will continue cooking it for another 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. There you go, guys. Our beautiful pie, apple pie, is now ready, and all the pieces that I threw in still look so pretty. There you go, guys. I cut this piece. Just look at that. How pretty this is. Now my most favorite time, tasting time. It's extremely delicious and perfect. The apples are perfectly cooked. The crust just snaps. Do try the recipe, guys. You will not regret. This is again one more speechless. My today's 2 cents will be some funny quotes about the apples. An apple wrapped in a caramel is as cozy as a person wrapped in flannel. If life gives you rotten apples, make applesauce. How about that? The fun fact is, millions saw the apples fall but Newton was the only one who asked why. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe today. Until I see you guys next Saturday at 9 a.m. PST. Have a great week, guys. Bye.